Hi, I'm Rachel for Expert Village. Now I'm going to show you how to put the clasp in and to finish with the bracelet. First of all, we need to make sure that they're all tied together, tied up together. Now we're going to take one side and just put it through and just do a knot, one knot, one more time. Oops. And now with the string that is left, I'm going to put it through some of the beads to make it. I'm going to go through one purple one, but if the holes are smaller enough, then it's okay to go through 2 or 3 of them. That will be fine. And now I'm going to cut it. That was the first side. The clasp, as you can see, is attached right now, so I'm just going to take the other side and tie it to the other side of the string. Do again the same thing, 2 regular knots, and we're gonna go with the string again through a few beads and finish with this bracelet too. Here it's not so important to finish with the same flower that you started. You can see that one side of the clasp is silver, the other side is purple, but if you want, you can always add another, either purple from one side or silver from the other side, to make both sides look even. Okay, I'm going to cut this one, and here is our bracelet.